In this video, I'm going to show you how to slow down your beat using Suno AI. So Suno is a music AI. I did a previous video that kind of goes over how to make a lo-fi beat, so definitely check that out. That's going to be like the main tutorial. This is a side tutorial that I thought was very useful when I was testing this out. So here's a beat that we made last time. And sometimes I like my lo-fi beats slower, chiller, and I've experimented with typing in like 50 beats per minute, 40 beats per minute, but it generally doesn't make beats that slow. So I also experimented with this adjust speed feature. So you want to go to the song, click the dots, remix edit, and then do adjust speed. And you know, I've played with where to move this, but maybe something like 0.71. And then we're just gonna click create. So that's gonna take this song here and just slow it down and make it sound slower. So here we have the song at 0.71. I like that a lot better. Maybe it's just me, but for like relaxing, chill lo-fi beats, sometimes that's better. That's been working for me. I did one at 0.63 here, but I don't know, maybe it's just making them the BPM too fast. It's not adjusting to what I want, or maybe that's a personal preference, but definitely something to play around with. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.